This is an example of unformatted text. This is the same text, but now it has been corrected and formatted for better readability. Need to prove your income but don't have a pay stub? Your bank statement might be your secret weapon. Let's break down exactly how to use your bank statement as valid proof of income. First, you need the right statement. Banks offer both digital and paper statements for official applications. A printed, official bank statement is often preferred for its authenticity. You can usually download and print these directly from your online banking portal. Now, what crucial information must be visible? Without these, your statement won't be accepted. Always ensure your full name and the bank's name are clearly displayed. This verifies ownership. The statement must cover a specific period, typically the last 1 to 3 months. Depending on the application, make sure the dates are prominent. This is the most important part: your deposits. Lenders and verifiers want to see consistent income coming into your account. Highlight any regular salary deposits, freelance payments, or other income sources. To present it effectively, keep it clean and uncluttered. If your statement has many extraneous details, consider highlighting only the relevant income deposits and the essential account information. Sometimes you might need to provide the entire statement, so ensure all pages are included and legible. So, when can you use a bank statement as proof of income? It's common for self-employed individuals, freelancers, gig workers, or those with irregular income streams who may not receive traditional pay stubs. It's also frequently accepted for rental applications, personal loans, and sometimes even for mortgage pre-approvals. Always check with the specific institution about their requirements. Some may ask for multiple months or specific types of deposits to be documented. With these steps, you can confidently use your bank statement to prove your income and unlock those financial opportunities.